Welcome back to Smart Excel Tips from Jabulani. Today we will learn and understand how to use a free template for family tree generator that is available in Office 365. For this, go to File, click on New. Here you will get two tabs, Office and Personal. Under Office, the green line indicates that this particular section is activated. So under Office, just after Business, you can see Personal. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds. Here, when you scroll down, you will find one template that is Family Tree Generator. Just click on it. Click Create. Now, once you create it, see the whole customized, ready-made family tree generator is available for us. The only thing now we have to keep in mind is how to use it and how to change the names from our family so that family tree generator is aligned to our generation. If you click on A1, Excel has provided the information how this family tree can be generated or how it can be customized. For now, I am just deleting this sheet that is family tree. Need not to worry, we will come back here, we will generate this tree again. Let us understand how this sheet has been customized. Here names of grandparents are captured and those are reflecting everywhere. I will go one by one and I will also try to just take the names of maybe 2 or 3 candidates from first generation, 2 or 3 candidates from the second generation, and 2 or 3 candidates from the third generation, so that video becomes more meaningful. However, if you have some more names, more kids to add, you can definitely go on doing it. I am just changing here grandparent names to Manoj, Manali. See, all these names have now been changed here. Why? Because whatever was already available, that has been changed. No worries at all. Okay. Here under children, these names are predefined. It means the first generation names are predefined. So we will change it here for our own understanding. Let us say here the first name is Manju. Another name is Manjunath, and third name we can keep it as a Misty, no problem. Okay. Spouse, we will take it out because we have to capture it for our own purpose or as per our own family. Here in parents, now we will select Manoj and Manali. Manju spouse, we will say Meenakshi. Manjunath spouse, we will say Mohini. And Misty, we will say Mahesh. Here our first generation is now ready. Okay. Here in second generation, parents' name are now shown in red because we have changed the names. The names are this, Manju and Manali. From there the first generation was these 3 people. No problem. So here we will just delete this information. We will select first generation Manju Meenakshi. Now let us say Manju and Meenakshi has a child, name is Naina. We will keep as it is. Manju and Meenakshi, again the name of second children is Nainesh. Manjunath and Mohini, now we are changing the couple. The name is say Lokesh, and here last one Misty and Mahesh, let us say the name is Ishan. Okay, now we are going to add the name of spouses. For Naina, we will say Virat. For Nainesh, we will say Virali. For Lokesh, we will say Anju, and for Ishan, we will say Sarita. Here we will just change the names because we have to capture the names as per our family, and here also we have to add names from our family. So our first couple is say Naina and Virat. They are having child 1. Let us say Naina and Virat has child 2. Another couple is say Nainesh and Virali. Let us say they are having child 3. Let us say location Anju, they do not have anything as at this point of time. So we'll go to Ishana and Sarita and we will say child 4. It means now from first generation till third generation, all the information has now been captured in this customized Excel sheet. We have to just now click on create family tree and see whole family tree of yours is now readily available. As I said, this is a completely customized template and you have to just keep on changing the names as per your own information or as per your own family. Here your whole family tree has been generated. If you go to the A1, you can get the complete information how this family tree generated as per Excel. Same, come to the family members, go to A1, you will again find the information about how the family tree is generated. I hope you have liked this video. I hope the way it has been brought to you. Please subscribe to my channel and I will keep on bringing such beautiful videos and tips for you. Thank you.